Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and first of all, I apologize for my voice because I am into like cold and cough, so yeah, that's why. So this video is completely dedicated to a new kind of software that I have found and I have started using, and how it works, what it is. I'm going to explain everything in this video. So, if you are supporting my channel from a very long time, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And if you are watching for the very first time, I talk about KDP on this channel. So, you can go ahead and you can watch the playlist. It is available in both of the languages, that is Hindi as well as English. Okay. So, what is this software and why I use it? First of all, we all know Creative Fabrica, right? I have a subscription of Creative Fabrica as well. And Creative Fabrica is good. It offers a lot of things in just $1 for the first month, and if you want to check it out, the link is in the description. But the alternative that I have found of Creative Fabrica is called Crella. You can start using for 1 month for only 99 cents, which is amazing. Obviously it is just 1 cent less of Creative Fabrica, and after like 1 month you can start using for like $18. Like, it is similar to Creative Fabrica, but why I started using this tool, this is what I would love to explain. First of all, Creative Fabrica is available and is known to everyone, and a lot of KDP people are using it. And I wanted something different for my books, for my interiors, for my fonts, for my illustrations, you know. And I was looking for some kind of budget friendly options, you know what I mean, right? Because what I use is what I discuss. So I'm not saying that Creative Fabrica is not good. Obviously I am using it, I have the subscription, and I tweak it, I edit it, I make it sure that it is unique to me. But I want to look for other options as well, where I can use some other illustrations, some other fonts, some other, you know, graphics available. So this is what it looks like. Let me go into this link. If you want to check out the Crella link, it is available in the description of this video. Just give me a moment, it is just loading up. As it is loading up, yeah, it is here. Okay, as you can see here, it offers a lot of things like fonts. If I want to use different fonts for my KDP book, especially cover, I can go ahead and I can check it. I can choose SVG files. You can choose like whatever niche you are working on the KDP, you can choose the SVG's file, you can choose the graphics, you can choose the templates, mockups, and etc. And not only this, but you can use the KDP interiors as well. So here in the KDP you can see, I was just looking at it and I got to see that it offers a lot of KDP interiors as well, just like Creative Fabrica. You can go ahead and you can start exploring this thing, and you can use whatever you want, like in the way you want, right? And I also like their freebies, because it offers a lot of freebies as well. So all you have to do is to go into the link and you can check all the freebies as well. Here also you can choose the bundles, like designer bundles. If you use Lightroom, like I have Lightroom, I can use these preset bundles as well. uh, so you can see here, it offers a lot of things, and it is very affordable. This is what I liked, because I was looking for an option which is not kind of hefty for me or for my subscribers. I am looking for options which is affordable, because obviously we are talking about the real money out here. If you are making money from KDP, obviously you are making money, so it is your responsibility to take actions which, you know, which just makes you different, like makes you different in terms of your content, like your unique cover style, your unique interior style, etc. You have to put the creativity into it if you want to make a good amount of money from there. And just relying on the free stuff is not my style, because obviously free stuff are available on the internet, but you never know that how it is going to be turned out. And having such an affordable option is something I like and I go for. So this is something I have started using, and I have also decided that on this channel I'm going to explain every other thing, every other software that I use, uh, and I have started using, and I can give you a review that how it is working out for me and how it is not working out for me. So I hope this will make a lot of clarity for you guys, a lot of options for you guys, so you can start moving, you can start using these tools, and you can let me know how does it works. If I talk about the licenses of Crella, you can go ahead and you can check out the licenses. So all products sold on Crella are sold under a standard license that covers all the basic personal and commercial cases. These license terms are here to make things easy to understand for everyone. So obviously if you are signing up, that means the number of users is 1. For personal use you can use unlimited projects. For commercial use you can use one product. Here it is star means installable items like fonts, add-ons and presets can be used in unlimited products and for unlimited sales of end product. Crella subscription items that are downloadable and used with an active subscription plan can be used in an unlimited number of products and for unlimited sales, including print on demand sales. So that means you can use it as many ways as you want, because if you have subscription just like Fabrica, it is going to give you um, a lot of ways to earn money, like from the print on demand, from KDP, from t-shirt sailings, etc, etc. Okay, so now you might be thinking which is better, Creative Fabrica or Crella. So in my opinion, I would say that if you are looking for extensively famous software which everyone uses, is Creative Fabrica. But if you are looking for some other options, like instead of Creative Fabrica and you want to explore, because in Crella I have found that some things are not available on Creative Fabrica even, and that is why I decided to make a video on this, because obviously when you will explore you will get to know. So in my opinion, both of these softwares are great, both of these websites are doing good, both of these two are good, but you can use whatever you like. Okay, so if you want to go for some kind of exploring things, you can opt for Crella, because I am using it and I'm loving it so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.